Welcome back, welcome back, creative ones. Welcome back to the tutorial. And today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make that fascinator I show you. So, this is the material that we'll be needing: the feathers. That's the feathers I'll be working with. Actually, you can get um bigger feathers. So I'll be working with these feathers. I'll be using two feathers. You can use any flower of your choice. I'll be using the pocket rose flower for mine. So I'm cutting this out. I'll be cutting this out. So this is the flower. So I've already cut it out. So I'm going to set this aside. Yes. And this is the next I'm going to be using for this fascinator. So I'm going to be taking my tape rule for measurement. So for measurement for this, I use 30 inches. So if you want it to cover around your head, you can try to use 40 inches. So I'll be cutting it out. I make it of 30 inches. So I'll cut this out. So this is the 30 inches. The next thing we're going to be doing is I'm going to make a running station on this. Can you see the way I'm picking the net? The net is very soft, so you have to be very careful. So keep doing that. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome back. Welcome here, welcome to House of Menah. And if you're a old subscriber, thank you for clicking by. So we're going to do this. Keep doing that. I think you're going to find this tutorial so easy. Can you see? You're going to pull this out and you tie. You're going to tie. Can you see? Make sure you tie it very, very well. So I'm going to be cutting this out. I'll cut the thread out. Now leave the needle and thread there. So the next thing we'll be doing now, can you see? You're going to secure that place. You're going to sew it, tack it so it's not going to lose back. Can you see? And so this is my Alice band. That is my Alice band. So I'm going to fix down the net on the Alice band and I'm going to tie it in and out. I'm going to tie it in and out. Can you see what we are doing? Can you see? It's very, very easy. You keep doing that. See what we are doing? Sorry, just look at what I'm doing. So just sew it in and out. Sorry if you can't see it, just sew it in and out. Make sure the sewing is very tight. You can decide to use a hot glue on it, but I prefer sewing it, so it's going to be neat. So we're going to tie this together. The next thing now we'll be doing right now, so I think I'm done with this. Can you see? That's the back and that is the front. So this is the front I'm holding. Can you see? So the next thing we're doing now, we're going to be fixing our feathers. You can use up to 3 feathers if you want it to be fuller than mine. Just use 3 feathers, sorry, but just depend on your client's payments. So I'm gonna advise you to use these 2 feathers. So can you see now? What we're doing now is from that place you're going to place it just like this. Can you see? I'm going to make the feathers just like that. Do you see the way I bend it? Just bend the feathers like that. So I'm going to be adding hot glue to it. We know how to use our hot glue. You can check previous videos on how to use your hot glue. And so I have a drop of the glue on it. So this part, you need to be very, very careful when you're making this part. You need to be very, very careful when making this part. Do you understand? So I'm going to place the net on that. You can just use it on your dummy's head and see how it's going to relax. So I'm going to fix it like that. Can you see the way I hold that net? Can you see? Wow, this is so hot, and just press it. Can you see? Just press it down. Wow, look at what I'm doing. Can you see? Just take a look at what we are doing. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be covering that part. I'll be using the flour to cover that part. I'm making use of my flour. Can you see? So just to cover that part. Can you see? Like I said earlier, this tutorial is so easy for you. It's going to be so easy for you. For those of you that don't used to hear my voice, sorry. Like I said, that is my voice, and I'll try to work on it. Can you see? Just make sure it's very neat. You press that down. Can you see? Just press it down. Can you see? So I'm going to be cleaning the gum. Make sure your work is neat. So can you see what we're doing? Just press that down. So the next thing we'll be going to be doing now, I'm going to be adding the second feathers to it. Wow, this is the second feathers I'm going to be adding to it. Like I said earlier, just you can still add one more feathers to it. And don't forget I said it depends on your client's payment. So this is the second, and this second part is very, very, how will I say this? You have to be very, very, very careful when you are doing this. If you know how to tack this with your needle and thread, you can do that. Can you see? So I'll be adding some flour too. I'm going to cover that part too. Just see what we are doing. This part is not that easy, so you have to be very, very careful. Very, very careful when making this part. Can you see? Just press that down. Oh, this is so hot. Just do that. Press it down. Can you see? So I'm going to cover that place, and I'm going to cut the flour. I'm going to cut it all because this is much on it. We're going to close it. We're going to cut it off. Just see what I'm going to be doing right now. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be reducing the flour. So I'm going to be cutting this off. because I'm going to hide this inside. Can you see? So just remove that. Remove it. Yes. Just see what we are doing. So you just place it inside. You're going to this place, like I said earlier, this place is not that easy. You just have to be very careful when you're doing that part. I just have to rearrange. I have to rearrange the feathers. Then can you see? Just take a look at this. So just be very careful when you're doing that part, like I said earlier. So just add more feathers to it. If you want it to be fuller, just add another one again. Just follow that step, and you are good to go. And this second one, just take a look at this. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to like my videos. Follow me on Instagram, start by Menah, on Facebook, Queen Pretty, on TikTok, I am Menah Baby. So darlings, I'll be seeing you next time on another tutorial I upload every day now. So on your notification button to get more videos. So darlings, wow, that is the finishing part. I think I'm in love with this. I love this so much. So darlings, bye and see you next time on our next video. Bye.